Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you how to delete recently played on Spotify using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you're using Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your Spotify app and click on the settings at the upper right corner of your screen. Click on privacy and social. And here, as you can see, that the listening activity and recently played artist is enabled. So if you want to hide your recently played on Spotify, you want to toggle that switch off, because the listening activity, it means that it shares what you listen to with your followers on Spotify. And at the recently played artist, it shows your recently played artist on your public profile. So that's it. That is how you delete your recently played on Spotify using your mobile device. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.